Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So since Phantom Wallet doesn't support the direct fiat withdrawals, you need to transfer your SOL to a crypto exchange. So in order to do it, you need to first of all launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and over here on the home page, you will see this send option. So once you tap on send, you need to select the token which you want to send, which in our case is Solana. So you need to simply tap on Solana, and now it will ask you to provide the username or the address of that particular exchange or that particular wallet in which you want to basically send your Solana. So if you want to withdraw it in your bank account, I would recommend you to go with an exchange. So you can choose any of the exchanges of your choice, but for this video I'm going to choose the Bitget exchange. So you need to simply launch your exchange, and over here you will see this add funds or the deposit option. So you need to simply tap on it, then tap on the deposit crypto option and search for SOL. Now once you are able to find SOL, you just have to simply select the network, which would be Solana. So you need to make sure that you do this transaction or the Solana network. After that, from here you need to copy this address, or you can even scan the QR code. Then you need to come to this page where you need to enter the address, then press next in the bottom. Now here on the next page, you just have to enter the amount of SOL that you want to send. So in our case, I'm going to send max, so you can tap on the max option and press next in the bottom. Now it will show you the details about the transactions, like where you are sending it, the network fees, etc. So once everything is correct to you, you need to press the send option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to send your Solana from your Phantom wallet to the exchange. Now once you received your Solana in your exchange, you just have to simply sell it. In most of the countries, the fiat option is available, but if in your country the fiat option isn't available, you can even sell your crypto with the help of the P2P method. So you need to come on the P2P section, and over here you need to simply first of all convert your Solana into USDT, and after that you can sell it and get the money in your account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.